Hey guys, so recently I applied for and was approved for the American Express Hilton Honors card. This is a dedicated Hilton Hotels card, but it has the no annual fees. This is the entry level one. And the reason I decided to get this card now is because they are currently having a 100,000 point sign up bonus, and this is a historic high. So you too can also get this historic high offer if you use my referral link down below. And you definitely want to use this referral link as opposed to the regular sign up link because you get an additional 25,000 over the regular sign up bonus. And even if you're not interested in just a base level Hilton Honors card, you can also still use the same referral link down below, but then go up to where it says view other offers, and you can go ahead and try to apply for the Aspire or the Ascend card, which have higher annual fees but offer a little bit more benefits. But anyways, this video is dedicated to unboxing the Hilton Honors card, and then I'll be doing my full review of this card once I've owned it for at least 3 months. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so you can see that. I have already done the same kind of review for my other 6 credit cards that I've owned. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into this unboxing. You see it comes in an envelope that has very minimal markings, besides it does have the Amex logo on it, so you know that it is from Amex. And let's go ahead and rip this thing open with my handy dandy Chase letter opener. Now, since this is kind of a co-branded card, there's actually not too big of a advertising spiel in terms of paperwork that came with this. So there's no lovely little brochure that tells you all the benefits of the card, unlike the Amex Blue Cash Everyday card or Blue Cash Preferred, which I've done unboxings of in the past. But let's just go ahead and start off with the first part of the card member agreement. This is always the part where they tell you which credit bureau they pull to see your credit score. In this case, Amex pretty much always pulls Experian. And on the same piece of paper on the back, you can see what credit score I was approved at, 767, on what day I applied, which was March 25th of this year. From my experience, Amex doesn't really care how many hard inquiries that you have taken before you apply, so that's not really a big deal. You just can't get approved for more than 2 Amex cards within a 90-day window. And then the piece of paper after that just tells you all the rates and fees that are associated to you specifically because of your credit profile. And then the next few pages just tells you a little bit more about the specific card you have, the points system, how they work, how you can transfer your points and all that. One nice benefit to this no annual fee card is that you automatically get Hilton Silver status, so once you stay at a Hilton hotel, they'll automatically give you this special status. And then next page is a little addendum here because if you applied in 2019, you'll receive a card that's capable of doing contactless payments. So you just see this little like Wi-Fi bar like symbol on your card. That means you can just tap to pay. The next 2 pieces of paper are standard that are given to every single card member because you need to agree to their terms and conditions to owning this card. Basic stuff like because this is a credit card, you need to pay them back in a timely manner, and if not, you have to incur interest and all of that. Full details written out in very nice small print. But if you thought the font was small on the card membership agreement paper, wait until you see the font on this additional card benefits paper. And since my Chase letter opener has a little handy dandy magnifying glass built into it, let's go ahead and read through every single fine detail. Just kidding, I know you guys don't want to see all that crap, so let's get to the part where you guys are actually anticipating. So here it is, the piece of paper with the card stuck onto it. I had to be careful to cover up all my information, of course, I don't want you guys seeing that part. But nothing too much to the actual paper, it's just like a little welcome letter to the Hilton Honors card. And you can see here is the card itself. But before we take a closer look at the card, let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the welcome letter. And this just gives you the basics of how to get started. You can access the account, of course, online through their mobile app. And you can add this card to your digital wallet, so you can use it with Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, Google Pay, and other digital wallets. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the sticker off the card itself. You can take a better look at the design here. It definitely has changed since they first launched it. It's now a much darker blue hue with purples and reds mixed in. On the back of the card, trying to cover up everything as much as possible. The weird thing is actually in the signature block, it has the card number actually built in for whatever reason. So there's not really any room for you to sign the card. I don't know, maybe you just don't need to sign the card for this particular one. Let me know if you guys have any ideas. But also on the back, you can see there's the contactless symbol right there in the corner. But anyways, this concludes the unboxing video. Hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And again, if you guys want to see my review, make sure you subscribe to see that. And if you're interested already in applying for this card and want to support the channel, please consider using my referral link down below.